If you are a frequent Amazon purchaser, the question is, have you been checking your checking account statement? I am a frequent Amazon purchaser like crazy. The boxes are everywhere. And at the same time, I rely on their refund policy. And I got to admit, I haven't checked my checking account statement. Maybe my husband has. But there's been a new lawsuit filed. Don't know if it's true. I do not know if it's true. The allegation is that, at least in some cases, Amazon has not been paying refunds. I have absolutely no idea whether, these are allegations. When someone files a lawsuit, there are allegations. That has to be proven by the plaintiff. Maybe these were just random isolated incidents. I hope that's the case because, that would amount to probably a lot of money for us, and I imagine for other people. Hopefully these are just isolated incidents. Is still not right if it happened. I mean, maybe it didn't happen at all because these are allegations. But if it did happen, maybe they're isolated. But it's at least worth checking your bank account statements, which is what I'm planning to do here very soon. This is concerning. Oh, I forgot to mention, this was reported by a Tampa local news. I assume possibly that means it was filed in Tampa, Florida, but the lawyers are saying that they're requesting that the case be treated as a class action, saying that more customers may have been affected by what is an allegation of a lapse in refund processing. So, possibly if it turns into, again, if it happened, if it's true, they're saying a lapse in refund processing. I don't know if it's temporary, isolated, didn't happen at all, or widespread. I mean, no idea. But, possibly, they're trying to get it to turn into a class action. If it did, then people would receive notification. Maybe certain people would receive notification. I don't know. I can't find the actual lawsuit. I'm just seeing the news report in a journal that actually an injury lawyer news brief. So we'll see. I don't know. But again, we're going to check and just watch out for that. It would be really big news, I think, if it's true. So I don't know. Don't know, but concerning. All right, take care. Bye.